Hi, I'm Jill. Welcome to another phonetic sound video. The sound we're focusing on today is B. B. To make this sound, you put your lips together and then open them by pushing air out, but we also use our voice box. So we use our mouth and our voice box for this sound. So you can feel a vibration when you make this sound. B. B. So let's take a look at some words that have the sound B in them. Ooh, a bee. Look, a bat. Wow, bubbles. So B is what we call a voiced sound in English because we use our voice box. So some sounds in English we only use our mouth and they are unvoiced sounds. So to show the difference, let's look at the sounds B and P. So B is a voiced sound. Our mouth is closed and we push it open with some air and use our voice box so we can feel the vibration here. B. P is the same shape and action with our mouth, but we don't use our voice box, so you shouldn't feel anything here. P. P. So try those two sounds and see if you can feel the difference between the unvoiced P and the voiced B. P. B. We'll look more at voiced and unvoiced sounds in English in another video. So here's a tongue twister to practice the sound B. A big blue bucket of blue blueberries. As you know, with English spelling and pronunciation, they don't always match. So let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. When you see the letter B, usually the sound is B, like in bat or blueberry. Sometimes there's a double B and the sound is the same, like in bubbles or rabbit. But sometimes you see the letter B, but there's no sound. So we can have a silent B. This usually happens at the end of the word when you see MB together, like in lamb or tomb or thumb. B can also be silent before the letter T, like in debt or doubt. And here's another tongue twister to practice the sound B. Bumblebees briefly buzzed beneath the bins of beans. I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little about the phonetic sound B. For more phonetic sounds in English and for more pronunciation practice, head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, either here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. I'm putting all the phonetic sounds on there, along with tongue twisters, limericks, and plenty of other ways to practice your pronunciation. Just a little bit of practice every day will help to work those English muscles. Your pronunciation will improve, and so will your English listening. So head over to the gym now to work those English muscles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.